All right, so here we are at a breakfast stop because we're all loaded up in Jessica's Subaru, headed up to Northern California to drop off Eva at college. We have about an 8-hour drive up to the northern coast of California, and we're all doing it as a family. All right, we're about halfway there. We just got down from the Grapevine. And we stopped for gas and a bathroom break, and we switched drivers. Now we're back where we started. Where are we going? Yeah, whatever.
Can I go right?
I know. Okay, this is our lunch stop. We are in Paso, Robles, and we're about 2 hours away from our final destination, but we're stopping at this restaurant to get some pasta lunch. Oh my gosh, we did it. Enter room. Open kitchen. Bedroom 1. This must be ours. Phew. Into a different bedroom. Pet door. Laundry room with the sink. This is where the girls will be staying. Mirror high. Single bathroom. Cooling unit in case we need AC. So we have now arrived at our rental property for the weekend. I think the plan right now is while Angie's in doing a little bit of work, we're gonna go to Eva's dorm and drop off some of her stuff because it's all loaded up in the car and we don't want to leave it there until she moves in tomorrow. So we're gonna go drop some of that stuff off. So we're just gonna move in some stuff, but there's a deer over there. I guess it's a normal thing, like in the distance there's a deer right over there. There's 2 deers. There's the 3 deer from earlier. Let me get a shot of these turkeys real quick. Some turkeys right over here. What's up, jive turkeys? Is that you?
What is that?
Good morning, day number 2 here in Santa Cruz on our trip to drop off Eva. You know us, morning mission to go explore. We got on some of these Bcycles and we're currently headed down towards the coast to go check out Pleasure Point. This spot is named for Hook. Okay, well, good morning. We are back from our morning mission, walk, bike ride, coffee, almost getting murdered by a white Jeep. My hands have finally defrosted. The plan right now is just to cook some breakfast, then we're gonna chill, and then Angie's gotta do some work, but I have plans to go into our offices that are in Santa Clara. Angie's hard at work. Eva's hard at making herself look good. Jesse's making breakfast. So the girls and I are here at Capitola State Beach, which is where those like colorful cottages are. What'd you think?
It's cool. They're rentals, right?
They are rentals.
There's people in them.
Yeah. Did you ask them how it was?
No, but that like little stagnant thing of water over there smells pretty.
Oh. Okay, so we're back here after a fun lunch in San Jose and Santa Clara. I'm actually really happy that I went because I saw one of my coworkers met another guy I just came in contact with, and then saw somebody from the San Diego office up there in the Santa Clara office. And the girls were able to do some stuff and some shopping up in San Jose. So it turned out to be a good event for everyone. And Angie was able to get some work done and not have the distractions of us in the house. So we're back out here at Natural Bridges State Beach. That's the big natural bridge rock. And the girls and Angie are out there trying to look at some tide pools. Oh, whoa.
This is an ochre star.
Ochre star. What's up, dude? And there's an anemone right there. There's all sorts of anemones. This is all anemones right here. Yeah. Oh, that's a crab head.
It's a crab carapace.
Turn it upside down. That's what Lolo used to like to eat. The innards.
Hey!
And that's the other side. What up, Civic?
Are you looking forward to it?
I'm definitely gonna have to get adjusted to the weather.
Okay, good morning. It's after 9 o'clock and Eva's move-in time is at 10 o'clock. So we're mobilizing and we're about to take the remaining stuff that Eva has and move it into her dorm. All right, we ready?
Set. Oh, that's your time?
All right, now what's next?
Now we go back to the parking lot and then...
Do we don't go explore any of this stuff? It's coffee, you got your merch, line for the UCSC sign. I got it. All right, so that's it. We've dropped off Eva and then we're now up the coast a little bit at this place called Panther Beach, and we're gonna maybe go see an arch. We do have dinner tonight, so we'll see Eva again. We're gonna have this recommended restaurant for dinner, but right now we're just exploring a little bit after dropping off Eva. Oh. That's the arch right there. So we gotta hike down the path down to get to that beach. Slow and steady. Oh wow. Oh, easy. Easy. Oh, that would make a cool picture.
Stay there, Jesse. I'll take a picture of you.
are now at the Santa Cruz Boardwalk, and we're gonna go bowl for a little bit. Come on!
I don't want to play this one anymore.
This business I'm trying.
Okay, this is our dinner spot for tonight. It's called Home Soquel, if that's how you pronounce it. But it's a family-owned restaurant. It might be in a family's house. I'm gonna run some of that pate.
Your dad's gonna call this the eating vlog.
Eat some spinach. Take some spinach. It's good for you.
Good morning, and here we are again on another morning Bcycle tour on our way to get coffee. Hi, Cal. Skate park. Well, this looks like a spot. It looks really dense.
So it's just like super all natural, not.
I don't know how MCT oil. We came across a little Cars and Coffee. Look at this guy.
The name of this truck is
Yeah, they have a chain over there.
Ode to my dad. Had a Corvette like this. This was parked out front of the coffee shop earlier. The seats. And they put modern brakes on. Electric catamaran. All right, so while we wait, we just went inside this research lab where they were telling us about how they're trying to study sunflower stars, because up and down the coast of California, there's been something that's affecting the population of all different sorts of sea stars. And then we're gonna go on our eco tour.
And it's a pretty simplistic social structure down there. It's just that the biggest guy has the most mates. But, sometimes there's males that are just genetically smaller. And you can see this mom was tagged. Now she goes right here. I'm going to turn this off so I'm not disturbing.
Oh, buddies. Hey, buddies. All right, well, that was fun and educational. Niche partitioning.
You learned that term too, huh?
Yeah, I didn't know about
Hey,
it.
let's
All right,
compare.
we're gonna go get some fried seafood now. Dude, the line got so long. Oh, what's up? Okay, this is our fried seafoods. And this is our view on the harbor with the fried seafoods. Hi. Look how cool and curious this guy is. And here we are at the Santa Cruz Boardwalk. Here's all the pyramids. And there's the sacrificial circle in the middle. All right, we're heading out. Goodbye, Santa Cruz House. Thank you for a wonderful time, and we'll see you the next time we're up here. Time for breakfast on our way to the airport. Yep, thank you. Oh my gosh. Thanks.
Bye, honey.